Hi, good morning, welcome to a Blackpool biker. It's Saturday 21st, it's 20 to 7 in the morning obviously, and it's absolutely miserable. Throwing it down. Put my zip up on my jacket a bit more. Yeah, it's not nice at all this morning. There has been weather warnings, apparently it's thunderstorms and that later on, isn't there? But at the moment it's not nice at all. See the tide's right out. Yeah, it's just horrible, to be fair. I did say yesterday I'd do a quick one this morning. I'd do the early morning walk along. I'll try and do it today, so yeah. That's why we're out and about on a miserable Saturday morning. It's slowing down a bit now. Famous last words, it'll chuck it down in a minute. You can see how grey and overcast it is, no matter which way you look. North, south, east, west. It's absolutely awful. Doubt the rain's coming out on film, but believe me, it is raining. So yeah, thanks for all the comments yesterday. Let me know you're all alright. Do have internet again. How long for, we'll have to see. If you didn't see yesterday's video, that's why there weren't any vids on for a couple of days, or a few days, whatever it was. Nightmare with internet. Just headed down here for a minute. What that is down there, I can't tell. Ship out to sea. Don't know if that's coming out. The rain's dripping off my phone. I know a lot said in the past, you can't beat an early morning walk along biker. You can when it's like this. Stop in bed Saturday morning, get a brew, jump back in bed, it's warm. Joggers down here. Credit, mate. Trying to blow the rain off the phone. See, the hotels are pretty busy. Wow. It's one of them days though. Can't even see it getting brighter later on. I think rain's forecast from about 9, but it's obviously now. Obviously raining now. But if you are coming to Blackpool, you know there's plenty to do. Tower, Winter Gardens, Sea Life. There's plenty to do, isn't there, when it's raining, arcades. arcades and what have you, pier, bars. Not as though biker would go in any bars. Temperance is king. Ain't that? So yeah, apparently it's getting nicer from Monday, but we'll see. What do you reckon? It's been a bit of a August, it's not been that great, has it? See, the car parks are full as well. This is Cocker Street here, Cocker Square, just opposite. They're full, aren't they? Yeah, so like I say, it's probably 7:15 now. Saturday 21st. That rain has slowed down a little bit now, to be fair. We're drenched. Yeah, thanks for the comments on the bike as well. I'm going to go down, we'll see what it's like, but I was going to go down the garage today just to see if we can get it sorted with that petrol leak. Like I said, apparently it's just the float on the carb. You have to give it a knock. So I'll try and do that later, but if it's like this, we'll see what it's like later on. There's no light in the garage, so you can't see what you're bloody doing, if you know what I mean. And I need to see what I'm doing because I'm no mechanic. One bit. I can't tell what that is down there. Specs are... Yeah. For me it looks like two people just sat there on the beach in the rain. It's obviously not. Or is it? Metropole with the scaff still up. Also coming up for North Pier. Yeah, that rain's just about stopped now, to be fair. It's not cold, cold. It's when you get wet and you get that breeze. There's a little bit of a breeze, not bad at all though. You can tell with the sea. No white horses there, is there? Yeah. Let's do a U-E. Bank Street over there. Looks like a bit of sun coming over from the east. Try to pop out. We'll see if that does later on. With any luck. For the moment, it's gloomy, obviously, it's wet. Anyway, hope you've been alright with this little walk along. And it's probably on 6:45 now. So have a great Saturday. Thanks to everyone once again for liking and subscribing. It does mean so much to the channel. Only way you grow, by the likes and the subscribes. But from Blackpool Prom, like I say, thanks for liking and subscribing. From Blackpool Prom, cold, gloomy, wet. Most of all, stay safe, and you know what it is. Have a cracking day.